So hey guys, thank you so much for tuning in to Simply Steph. That's me. So in today's video, it's a little bit different. I am going to take you on a journey. Hopefully we can see the before and the after, and yeah. So if you want to see what it is that I'm talking about, then please keep on watching. Hey guys, please remember to subscribe if you have not, rate the video thumbs up, and turn on your bell so you're notified each and every time I upload. Thanks. Okay guys, so yes, I am sitting at my makeup table. It is hecka early. I just woke up. I literally did a very quick look, you know, very basic. I don't have anything on other than my eyeshadow, a tinted moisturizer with SPF, and a little bit of bronzer. I did some mascara, and that's that. Now, we are going to get the hair done. So I figured, okay, it's been up for like, I don't know, 3 days, I think. She told me not to wash it. Like, I need to wash my hair every other day. Anyway, so yeah, this is the before. Now, I don't think I'm going to stray too far from this. I'm just not like liking to do this anymore. I mean, you know, I want to have the option to do this if I want, and if I don't, I just want to throw it over and, you know, scrunch it up a little bit and be done. Because quite frankly, it takes me, you know, 36 hours to get my hair to look like this because it has to dry. I don't blow dry it. I don't want to blow dry it. I just kind of want to do the messy look and out the door. So we are going to Lords and Ladies. That is where my hairdresser is, and Kayla. She's a very nice girl. Now, I don't know if I'm able to actually film while in there, but we will ask and we will see. If not, I will pop back on here with the finished look. I didn't really want to wear too much makeup because, you know, there's going to be hair in my face and whatever. So please join me while we go on this journey. And if you think that I'm not scared, then you would be wrong. I am so scared because the last time I had my hair done, it was a disaster. So I didn't use this woman the last time. She wasn't available. This is a lesson. If you find a good hairdresser, stick with her no matter what. If she moves, move with her. I just have a little tank top on with my shorts and my flip-flops, and we are headed out. So it is super early, hence the bags. I was up, I couldn't sleep, I was so nervous. So we're gonna see what happens. So come with me on this journey. Oh, and guys, yeah, my background, nice, right? And this is me in natural lighting, wow. And I don't even have any makeup on. That's crazy. So I just want to do a big thank you shout out to Influencer for sending me the Viva Voce, or Voce Viva, sorry, perfume. I'm loving it. It is totally me, totally. And yeah, so I'm going to put this on and probably get attacked by a whole bunch of bees, which I'm allergic to. So thank you, Influencer, and thank you to Voce Viva for, did I say that right? Yeah, Voce Viva for sending me this ginormous, it's really good, guys. Heck of expensive, but really nice. So I think I would repurchase this. I wouldn't mind. Maybe not that size bottle and that big of a price tag, but maybe a smaller version. Look at my background, such a mess. Anyway, BRB. So yeah, guys, we're walking to the car. Oh my gosh, are my eyes tearing so badly. Look at natural lighting, you can for sure. See what I mean about the ring light? It takes away a lot of the things. But anyway, I parked my car down the end of the block. Wish me luck. I'm super nervous. I'm not even gonna lie. I'm just so nervous. Oh my gosh. I'm looking at. Look at. From the house to the car, the curls. That's why I need it permed. I'm thinking maybe I'm just gonna get a trim. I don't know. I was gonna get the top cut really short. Well, not really short, but you know, like to give me some body and I could just flip it over. I don't know, I kind of like my hair the way it is if it was just be all the time curly. So maybe I'll just tell her that when I go. Okay. Anyway, it's my hair and I can ask her to, she's really good though. This girl's really good. And I'm going to put all my trust in her. She's very young, but that doesn't mean she's not good. So just saying. Okay, I'm out, guys. Hold please. So guys, you're going to hear the GPS in a minute, but my eyes won't stop tearing. Oh my gosh. I don't even know why I did any eyeshadow. I should have just went El Natural, but yes, we are on our way. Okay guys, so we are here. It was just like really quickly, not even that far from my house. Let me show you. This is Lords and Ladies, and it looks like a house, right? It's like so cool. I'm gonna ask if we can film when we get inside. I don't know if she's going to allow it. So you might just see me when I get back in the car. Hopefully it won't be a disaster like the last time, because I'm super nervous. I think I'm just going to tell her not to cut too much off. Maybe the length a little bit, take a little bit off the length, cut some layers into my hair, and just get it to be curly like all the time, so that I don't have to scrunch it to curl the pieces of hair that don't want to curl. You know, that I have straight hair, I have curly hair mixed. It's weird. We're here. When I came in, my hair's, look how much it's already flopped since getting in the car. Just the humidity, which I don't want that. That's why I'm here, and I want to get it done. I look so tired. I didn't sleep very well last night. So anyway, I just had some more labs done too. I had to stop and get my blood drawn. Yay. So when I walked in, the ladies were like, oh, your hair's very nice. So I'm glad that they can see it like this, so I can at least show them like how I want it to be without having to do all that preparation, like leaving it on my head for 20 something hours and sometimes 30. Yeah, so I'm scared. Wish me luck, guys. Oh, and guys, check it out. You see who it is? Mirabella. That's something we see a lot of in the subscription boxes. Well, I'm all crooked. It's pretty cool, right? Okay, I had to come get my gum, and yeah, I don't smoke cigarettes except when I'm really nervous, so I just took a couple puffs. I know, bad, right? Okay, guys, she said she's gonna do a strand test, so she said I could film. She just wants, like, from her neck up not to be seen, so that's kind of cool. So yeah, we'll try and keep her out of the shot. This is to spank my hair into shape so that it doesn't do this. You see how the frizziness comes on the parts that are like half curled? Well, we're gonna spank it into shape, and then when on the parts that are curly, I guess that's what I can say, I have curly hair in certain parts. Well, she's just brushed everything out, so she's gonna do a strand test, and we'll see how it goes. So, and we are going to cut off like a lot. I don't know, can y'all see that? So we were deciding how much length, because when my hair is brushed out, guys, it is super long. As you can see, like it's like down to my waist actually. So I told her to go ahead and take off this dead, which is the lightest color. So that's what we're gonna do. So guys, I just wanted to show you. So she took out my hair and she brushed it. This is where it goes. Oh wait, there. All the way down to here. Okay, right to there, which is literally my stomach because I'm sitting. But yeah, that's how long my hair is, like, and that's just the front part. That's not the back part. The back part is longer, so you can imagine how long my hair is when it's brushed out. But I'm getting this every time. Look. Can you see this? This is what I talk about when I say I have shedding. Oh my gosh. It's horrible. So what we're doing is, back here we have a, I don't know if you guys can see. Right here, she's doing a, wait, yeah. See the rods? She's doing a curl test to make sure that my hair can handle the curl, so fingers crossed. Okay, guys, here's me with my hair wet. She just did a whole nice clarifying shampoo, which is, this is all coming off. We're getting rid of that because it's looks like a rat's nest, and we don't need that. But so she showed me the strand test, and we decided to go just one size smaller so that it will be a little more curly. I think what we're doing is we're going to switch like back and forth between two sizes so that it'll have more of a lived-in look, because that's what I want. I want to be lived in looking all the time. So, okay guys, I gotta talk really quick. My battery's getting ready to die. I got no flash. It's super dark. So here is we're waiting. We have to wait 20. She's gonna come back every couple minutes or 20 minutes, I think, to check. But we're halfway through, so. Okay, so my battery died, but I have hubby's phone, so we're using his phone. Anyway, we're waiting to see what's happening. So we switched the rods, guys, different shapes, you know what I mean? So that it's going to be like not all the same width and roundness of the curl. Because my hair doesn't do that, not normally anyway. I mean, my natural hair is all different kinds of curls. So to get it a little more uniform, but not like Shirley Temple, because I didn't want it to come out, you know, looking like a perm, because that's not how my hair is. So this is more like, I don't know what this is. But anyway, trusting the process. Trust the process, okay? So see you guys in a minute. Okay, guys, so we are in the car. I must say, I mean, she's very good. Okay, so this is how much length is still here, okay? But we did frame the face a little bit, which is exactly what I wanted. Okay, now my hair, of course, is still wet. And, you know, I'm not going to be able to wet it for next 3 days. So she said 72 hours, which normally I thought it was 48. But I like it. I like it. I can feel, it just feels a lot healthier, even after the perm. It's not like super curly, but neither was my hair. You know what I mean? I made it curlier by scrunching it. I know that when I get home, this is going to air dry. However, when it's air dried, or once it's air dried, when I go to style it, you guys are going to have to put up with me looking like this for the next couple of videos, because I will do my makeup over. Of course, it got like all kinds of screwed up. Yeah, really badly, while, you know, whatever. But yeah, so I like it. I'm happy with it. I'm sure it's going to look way different. We do have the side part, which is how I normally flip my hair over, but since it was so long and out of shape, I used to have to pull it back. Sorry, I know I'm you're winging you all around, but I just wanted to show you we are done. There is the length still there, but all the dead is now cut off. Look how healthy that looks. And yeah, perms give you a little more dimension too. I don't know if you guys are aware, but when you get a perm, sometimes it like lightens your hair. So I'm happy with that. I'm really happy. It did cost me $200, just saying, but it didn't cost me because hubby paid for it. And I guess I need to say thank you to hubby for doing that. It was very nice of him to do it. I'm not sure if he'll see this, but you know, hey, I'll tell him myself. But yeah, it's like, you know, of course, when I blow dry it with my head upside down and I scrunch it, like, you know, do this right here, which is what she has done. She went in and she curled it, like, you know, twisted her fingers around it so it gets a little more dimension. Now, of course, as it gets dried, I don't have any product on it. There is just a little bit of a conditioner in there because I'm going to have to leave it for the 3 days. So I hope you can put up with me looking like this, because this is how I'm going to be looking. Unless I just, you know, toss it up on top of my head, which is what I'll probably end up doing. But anyway, so here we are. I am very happy with the final look. My chubby face. Wow, I never realized my face was that chubby. That's why I have my hair always poofy, so my face doesn't look so chubby. But anyway, I'm like being all weird. I will see you back at my studio. BRB. So I'm back at my table, guys, and yes, it is now 2 days later and I still have not been able to wet my hair. So unfortunately, we are stuck with this. Now, I am getting ready because we do have something very special here. Sneak peek. All right. And it came and I just could not wait. I had to film it. So this is what you got. Just bear with the hair, okay? We're not there for the hair. We're here for the makeup. Anyway, so I just wanted to say I'm very happy with it, even though I slept on it for 3 nights. Well, yeah, 3 nights. And later on this evening, I will be able to wash it. But I have a bunch of videos to get out, so you will see this look again. And of course, I have what's on my eyes here. I'm going to introduce it to you. It will not be up tonight, guys. I don't think I'm not that good at editing. You know, I'm not that fast. So I will put this out, and then tomorrow you will see what's going on here. And you might want to tune in because, yeah, something special going on, okay? Guys, editing Steph. I promise I will tell you everything, why I have not been uploading, where I have been, why I have been MIA. We do have some things to talk about, unfortunately. I knew this day would come, but I didn't know it would be this quick. So, with that being said, thank you for tuning in. Please remember to rate this video thumbs up. Please, if you have not yet subscribed, consider doing so. And shade your bell in, guys. Why? Because I like to do giveaways. And yeah, I didn't say it in the beginning of the video, but come all, come many. This is a place of refuge. It is where we like to have fun. And I kind of look at makeup on the lighter side, okay? Yes, I'm very much into you know, trying out makeup and testing makeup out and all that good stuff, unboxings, you name it, I'm into it. But I kind of approach it on the lighter side, if that makes any sense. I joke around, I don't mind laughing at myself. So if that's something you think that you can get into, by all means. I don't like the subscribe word, so that's just me. I say come and join the family. Until the next one, though, I will say, please, guys, if you are going through something, please don't stuff it. You know, if it's not heavy on your mind, please talk about it, share. You know, stuffing is never good. It's been my experience anyway. And I promise I'm dressed. I have a tank top on. Also, if you are asked to listen to somebody, you know, like if somebody comes up to you and say, hey, you got a minute? Please say yes, because that is all it could take for them to feel better, is just to vent. Or maybe they don't know what's going on, and just by talking about it, they can figure it out. And like I always say, in this crazy, mixed up world, please, guys, stay safe. Until the next one, very soon. See ya.